STP stands for standard temperature and pressure. It is a fundamental concept in chemistry that you will encounter frequently when studying gases. STP provides scientists and students with a common reference point to measure and compare the behavior of different gases under identical conditions. STP is a reference set of conditions used to compare properties of gases. When scientists study gases, they need a baseline or standard to make fair comparisons. Without standard conditions, it would be difficult to compare experimental results from different laboratories or different times. STP gives us that consistent baseline. The standard conditions defined by STP are 0 degrees Celsius for temperature and 1 atmosphere for pressure. These two values form the foundation of STP. 0 degrees Celsius represents the freezing point of water, while 1 atmosphere represents the average air pressure at sea level. The standard temperature can be expressed in different units. In Celsius, it is 0 degrees. In Kelvin, which is the absolute temperature scale, it is 273.15 Kelvin. In Fahrenheit, it equals 32 degrees. Remember that 0 degrees Celsius is the same temperature as the freezing point of water. The standard pressure also has multiple unit representations. 1 atmosphere is the most common unit. This equals 101.325 kilopascals, or 760 millimeters of mercury. All three values represent exactly the same pressure, just measured in different units. 1 atmosphere is approximately the pressure exerted by the Earth's atmosphere at sea level. STP serves 3 important purposes. First, it enables fair comparison of gas properties across different experiments and studies. Second, it standardizes experimental data worldwide, allowing scientists everywhere to communicate their findings effectively. Third, it simplifies calculations and predictions when working with gas laws. By using STP, you can easily compare your results with established data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.